So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover use chart in Google Sheets. So first of all, click on Start Lab and right click over here and open the Google Drive incognito window. Now here it is getting signed in automatically. If it asks for username and password, refer to the lab instruction. Now simply click on I understand. Now click on this settings. Come over here, scroll down a bit. And here you have to click on this button, means click on this option, that is convert uploads to docs editor. Now come back over here. Now here in the description box, I've shared these two files. You have to just open this in a new tab and just download it to your local system. Similarly, download this also to your local system. Once both files have been downloaded, you can simply do one thing, just drag and drop. Or you can just upload it also, like directly click on this new and file upload. So I'm just showing you the easiest method. And if you are unable to locate the file, just click on this My Drive and just open this sheet over here. Now once the sheet is opened, remove this unwanted pop-up. Click over here, click on Insert, click on Chart. And from here, just select the column chart. Once this is done, come over here, just type colon, capital M3 and hit enter. Once it is selected, again type insert, means select insert, chart. And here we have to select combo chart. This is combo chart. Just select it and click on anywhere else. Now, come back again to the drive and just open this file. Now once the file is loaded, come back to the lab instruction and simply check the score for each and every task. Now if you want to know how to enable this yellow check my progress bar, you can check the video description and just watch the video. So this was the quick video tutorial. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel.